We are privileged to have seen a lot of improvement at Rustic Lumber Store in the year 2022. It's almost overwhelming when I think about the gigantic steps we've made since the start of this year. At the beginning of the year in March, we visited Costa Rica where we met Steve, one of our suppliers for our exotic woods, and his team to see their operations and inventory. And when we saw the size of the 500-year-old Jatoba tree, it left us speechless. We can't wait to see the beautiful tables that come from it when it reaches us later in 2023. Shortly after our return from Costa Rica, we began construction on the Make-A-Wish Foundation treehouse. Last year was the first time making one of these tree houses, and when they reached out to us to have us make one again for another young boy, we couldn't pass up the opportunity. Working with the charitable foundation was extremely fulfilling for us, and witnessing the glee on the child's face upon receiving his wish holds a special place in our hearts. If you remember, last winter, Zach and I traveled to go pick up our first batch of epoxy, and we're happy to say that it's been a success. We've gone through thousands of gallons of epoxy and now are on our fourth shipment of this year. It's a pleasure to read all the great reviews and see all the wonderful creations everyone has made with our epoxy. In 2022, we were able to expand our following to over 10,000 followers on Instagram and hundreds of subscribers on YouTube. Through this reach and success, we were given the wonderful opportunity to design an incredible custom table for Acres John Deere. Let's hear what the guys have to say about their favorite moments of the year and what they're looking forward to next year.
Okay, Josh, before you head out on your holiday vacation, let's check in for the end of the year. So, what do you think about this year? What was your favorite part?
Wow. Favorite part of the year? Definitely probably would be being a part of the John Deere table. It's probably the coolest thing that we did. But in general, in a year, how far we've come in making furniture and tables and epoxy, all this furniture building that we're doing now, we've come a long ways and we're getting a lot better.
All right, what do you think, what are your predictions for next year? What do you think is the new thing we might do next year?
Well, the newest thing that we are going to be doing is getting into this new retail store that we're building here next to our, attached to our shop. Right. So that's going to be the next big step for us. But, I just hope we keep getting big projects coming in and keep making furniture.
All right, gentlemen, it's the end of the year. So what has been your favorite part of the year and what are your predictions for next year?
Well, I don't know about you, but obviously my favorite part was the John Deere table project.
I'd have to agree on that one. That was the best one, I think,
so
we've ever done.
That was a big time project, and we did a quality job on it, so I hope it leads to more high profile projects like that.
Absolutely. All right, what are your predictions for next year, or what are you most excited for?
Well, just keep doing what we're doing. The new species we're gonna bring in, we're gonna have lots of the mappa burl, all that good Jatoba wood. We got like those walnut burls. It's gonna be crazy inventory we're gonna have next year. Lots of awesome stuff to pick from. So that's probably the most exciting thing next year is just lots of inventory growth.
What about you, Tim?
I think is gonna have our new showroom done by next year and a new shop area. Give us more room, give us more opportunities to do bigger jobs.
Yeah, that showroom I think is gonna be a big part because we're gonna have a lot more finished projects that people can come in. Our plan is to have like dozens of ready built tables. You just pick your slab and your base and it's out the door ready to go. So that's next year with our new showroom and shop, we're gonna be able to really excel with what we have to offer.
Thank you to the Rustic Lumber team for everything you've done for us. I can't wait to see what goals we achieve the following year. Zach Whittakin, thank you for all of your support we've received in 2022. We've met a lot of amazing people this year and had great opportunities from it. We look forward to growing more with you all next year. Happy New Year's, everyone.